Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the wheel for the train, and I'm going to actually break this up into 3 parts. I'm going to show you how to make the overall shape, then I'm going to show you how to make the holes here in the back in a different part, and then I'm going to show you how to make this linkage peg right here, and that way it'll be in 3 different videos and it won't be so big. So first things first, I want to make this wheel, and again, it's a revolve shape. Some people like to make the disc and then try to extrude in and stuff like that. It'd be a whole lot easier if we just made this shape right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it, imagine that the hole was not there. I'm going to build it without the hole being there, and then I'm going to punch the hole through later. So, and if you look, everything is based off of where the center of this is going to be. So I'm going to build this overall shape. I'm going to add this little semicircle here at the end, and then I'm going to add these little fillets, and then I'm going to revolve it and punch the hole out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and build the general shape first. So I'm going to go ahead and create a sketch. I'm going to take a line tool, and I'm just going to, well, that wasn't good. Try it again. All right, I'm going to start here at the origin, go straight up, over, down, over, back up, over, down, and then back over. This is the general overall shape of this thing. So now if we look at this, from the center to this edge right here is 0.25. From the center to this edge is 0.75. And from the center to the center of this little semicircle is 1, which is going to be on this edge over here. So 0.25, 0.75, and 1. So I'm going to go ahead and dimension from here to here. It's 0.25. Got a dimension from here to here. It's 0.75. Oh, look at that. So this, remember I told you in one of the earlier videos, I should have did the overall dimension first. So I'm going to undo that. I'm going to dimension from here, I'm sorry, I'm going to dimension from here to here and make it 1. Now I'll come back and fix this one and make it 0.75. All right, so there's my general overall shape this direction and the X direction. Now I need to fix it going this way. And if you look at the picture, it shows you from here to here is 0.25, but from here to the center of the circle or to this edge right here is 0.125. So let's go ahead and dimension those. So this is 0.25, and from here to here it's 0.125. All right. And then, oh, this guy right here. I can make these collinear. I'm going to go ahead and click on this and say make this one and this one collinear. It keeps them both at 0.25 for me. All right, so there's that overall shape that I need. Now we said that I needed a semicircle on the end. And if you look, it tells you there's an arc right here of 0.125. Rather than do a fillet, it's easier to do a semicircle because you can see there's the center of the circle right there, which is located right on this line, which is 0.125. So all I have to do is take a circle right here, find that midpoint, right there it is, drag my circle up to the edge, there it is. My diameter of this thing is 0.25, therefore my radius is 0.125. Now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to trim this out. I'm going to trim this piece out, but it won't let me trim this bottom one out. Watch when I try to. It's going to yell at me because it's because there's a dimension tied to it. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. It's not going to affect anything. So there's that shape that I need. All I have left to do are my little fillets right here, and then revolve this thing around. And if you look, it tells you that your fillets are 0.0625 typical, which means all 4 of these are the same. So I'm going to come over here and do my fillet and set it to 0.0625. Click on this edge, then this edge. There's the first one. This edge, then this edge. There's the second one. This one, there's the third one. This one and this one, there's the fourth one. My fillets are done. I am ready to revolve. I'm going to go ahead and hit revolve. It's already got that, there we go, select that region, hit my axis, hit that right there, and there's my revolve. Now all I have left to do is punch a hole through the center, so I'm going to make a new sketch, drop my point right here, finish my sketch, and I'm going to do a hole. And the size of the hole, it told me was is in the bottom sketch down here. The size of the hole is 0.280 through, so I'm going to go ahead and make it 0.280. And it was supposed to go all the way through. And hit OK, and there's that shape. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to put the cutouts on the back, and in the third video, I'm going to show you how to put that little peg right here in the front. Hope this was helpful.